Hello, Bring Your Trailer on YouTube. My name is Bernard and welcome to the Car Finder Garage. This is a cold start video for the 1998 XJ Jeep Cherokee Limited. It's live on Bring a Trailer. So here's a cold start. You can see my hands are on the block. Hasn't been turned on in probably a good, today's Tuesday, since probably last Friday. So about four days now, 4 or 5 days. Cold. Cranks right up. Solid oil pressure. Just replaced both the headlights today. They're brand new as well. Alright, as you can see, solid battery. Great oil pressure. Temperature's going to start rising. All right, thank you for tuning in and God bless.